Hi, sweetie pies. It's me, Witchy Dada. It's me, Spooky Dada. And now it's time to read some spooky books. This book isn't so spooky. Pumpkin Cat. Meow. Hi, Pumpkin Cat. Let's check it out. That page is orange like pumpkin. Pumpkin Cat. That's not cat, that's mouse. One morning in May, Cat wondered, "How do pumpkins grow?" "I know," said Mouse, "and I will show you how." What do we have here? That says carrot, that says pumpkin. Cat found some flower pots. "What now?" asked Cat. "Time to add the soil," said Mouse. And so they did. They put some dirt in the flower pot. Got some soil in there. Maybe we put some seeds in there next. Cat made holes in the soil with her paws. Dig a dig a dig a dig a dig. "What now?" asked Cat. "Time to plant the pumpkin seed," said Mouse. "Oh, there's a pumpkin seed." And so they did. They planted it right in the dirt. Mouse found a watering can. "What now?" asked Cat. Time to water the seeds," said Mouse. And so they did. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Seeds and flowers and plants, oh, they love water. Get your watering can, Mouse. They left the pots in a warm, sunny spot. And 10 days later, 2 green leaves appeared in each pot. Yay! The seeds have sprouted and they're growing. "What now?" asked Cat. "Time to plant the seedlings outside," said Mousie. And so they did. They went out in the garden and they dug it up. They planted the seedlings. Bzz, bzz, bzz. In a few weeks, there were lots of big prickly flowers and big yellow prickly leaves and big yellow papery flowers covered in pollen. And lots of bees came and buzzed between the flowers. "What now?" asked Cat. "We just watch," said Mouse. And so they did. They were watching their garden grow. "Hee hee 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 hee. I smell a pumpkin." Caw, caw. By midsummer, each plant had a fuzzy little green pumpkin. "Caw, caw, caw," called some big crows. "What now?" asked Cat. "We need to make a scarecrow," said Mouse. "Hey, Scarecrow, with your button eyes. Are you scaring crows? Is that what your job is? We don't want those crows to eat our pumpkin before they're ready." So they did. They made a scarecrow. Got a scarf, got a jacket. By October, the pumpkins were very big and very orange. Yay! "What now?" asked Cat. "Time to pick our pumpkin," said Mouse, and so they did. "Oh, we like this one. Let's get that big pumpkin." Now, said Mouse, "I am going to make you a surprise." Cat right there just intently watching what is Mousie doing. We got a dotted line here. What is that, a knife? Are we cutting? Are we cutting into the pumpkin top? "Happy Halloween! Eek, eek, eek. Meow. Oh, it's a kitty pumpkin. Got the whiskers? Yay! Pumpkin turned into jack-o'-lantern. And a mouse inside. It's now a pumpkin eye. All right, the Pumpkin Cat, the end. Happy Halloween book. I love you. Ah!